Hi guys, in case you're wondering why I look so happy, it's because I'm going to do something really special. Something I always wanted to do, but I was just not sure how I would make it happen until one day the opportunity just came itself. Okay, so I'm not gonna gatekeep anymore. I recently got to work in a music video. So basically, what happened was a senior from college reached out to me asking if I wanted to act. And of course, I said yes to that. So, this is day one of our shoot. The weather was so nice, the whole vibe of the area felt so peaceful. And this was my outfit for a scene that we were shooting. This is the whole team. We shot some scenes here. Then I changed into my other outfit for the next scenes, and I just sat there and did a little bit of touch up, and then we were ready to take some more shots.
जैसे जो आए अब हमारी मैं बरसात बन जाऊंगा मुझे ढूंढना तू नहीं मिलेंगे यहीं।
But unfortunately, it started raining, so we had to take a break.
बैकअप हो चुका है, पैकअप और फर्स्ट लोकेशन 70% हो चुका है। 70 क्या? 70%।
So once it stopped raining, we went to other location, which was Lodi Garden. चलो भागे भागे। So the day one was successful, and then we ended the day with some dosa. I didn't record much on day two because we had a lot of scenes to shoot that day and we were all equally stressed out.
Guys, hello, welcome to my
ये शूट खराब करके ये बीच में इसे चाहिए थे बीटीएस, ठीक है, तो इसने पूरा सेटअप चेंज करके अब ये बीटीएस ले रही है
और ये चेयर चढ़ा दी है इसकी पैर पे।
हाँ।
This was the last day of shooting the music video, and I have to say, I had so much fun doing something completely new and different for the first time. I love that I got to meet some new people and I got to see how things happen in real life. So I really loved this whole experience. Hi guys, good morning. I am having my breakfast right now, which is coffee and a slice of bread that I've almost finished. In the morning, I just go with something savory. I just took a shower and yesterday I got my products from Nykaa and I've already opened them up, but I want to show you guys too. So I ordered some skincare picks. So I already opened this up yesterday to see if everything is alright, but I've not used anything yet. I'm gonna do it today with you guys. These cute clips that I got from a shop. Okay, so the first thing I have is, I guess these are eye patches. Yes, these are from Swiss Beauty Vitamin C Serum eye patches. Got a Vitamin C serum from the Derma and the Derma sunscreen as well. What else do I have? I just got these three things. They gave me this shampoo and this Chotusa CeraVe face wash. Like, why did they even bother to give me this? Like, why? but whatever. And I also have a compact powder which also has sunscreen in it. So yeah, this is not a skincare product. I'm just gonna use it when I'm doing my makeup. Right now, I'm only going to put the eye patches because I don't feel like putting serum and other stuff right now. And put it back into the box. So this was Saturday. I went to MKT with my friend, and every time I go there, I always eat laughing. Funny story, when I first ate them, I did not like the taste at all, but now I don't know how I'm addicted. Like, not a single day goes by when I do not think of laughing. Seriously. So now we are in another restaurant which is food has arrived. Sakal chili. What? कोई बात नहीं है. It's okay. See, I have put too much chili in my thuppa. Because I'm so full, I cannot eat anything at all now. But I want to. I want to have something sweet. But I don't know. अभी थोड़ी देर घूम लेते हैं. हाँ, okay. See you guys. So guys, now we are in Zudio and I am trying these. It's the first t-shirt. I like it, but I think it's a little bit too loose. But it's looking good, so let's try something else. This is the second shirt, but ये मेरे को चुभ रही है. It's irritating me a little on the skin. So I'll have to see, but I really like the look. I might take it. I'm a sucker for shirts. Basic t-shirt, and I think it's okay. I can get it. This is so freaking pretty. I think इसका price थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा high है, and ये थोड़ी सी मेरे को loose भी है. If you see, it's really like it. This is very cute. But it's really loose on me, so I cannot buy it. So this is it for this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.